Namaste, Jai Gurudev. Knowledge has organizing power. To the extent we are in knowledge, to the extent we have knowledge in our life, things get organized around us. जिस हद तक हम ज्ञान में होते हैं, जिस हद तक हमें ज्ञान होता है, उस हद तक व्यवस्थाएं हमारे आसपास होती है. In fact, when we are in 100% in knowledge, everything around us get organized. Everything get organized around us. हमारे आसपास व्यवस्थाएं होती हैं जब हम पूरी तरह से ज्ञान में होते हैं. And there are three types of knowledges. One, indriyajanya gyan. One, the knowledge that comes through senses. For example, the sugar as sugar. Something, salt as salt. Just because you tasted it, just because you have the color, the smell, the taste. Through five senses, what knowledge we attain is called indriyajanya gyan. Is the first type of knowledge. The another type of knowledge is buddhijanya gyan, that we infer through our intellect. It's not obvious through senses, but we infer it through our intellect. For example, a spoon inside a glass of water. You see the spoon is tilted. There is angle. It's as if it is bent. But the spoon is not bent. It's because of the water. It's because of the refraction of the light through the water makes the spoon bend. And from your intellect, you know that the spoon is not bent. It's because of the water it's happening. It's called buddhijanya gyan. Through intellect. Like for example, sun is not moving. Sun is still, earth is moving. But what we see, sun is moving. But through intellect we know that actually sun is not moving, only earth is moving. It's called buddhijanya gyan. And then superior from indriyajanya gyan and buddhijanya gyan is antarspurnajanya gyan. Knowledge that comes from within. For example, I know that I am peace myself. I know I am the source of light myself. I know that there is infinite possibilities. I am infinite possibilities myself. Love and energy is my source. Truth is my source. This knowledge can only come from within. And this knowledge is the superior knowledge. Knowledge that comes from within is antarspurnajanya jnana. And this superior knowledge can only be attained through meditation. This superior knowledge can only be attained by going within. By turning inward. This superior knowledge can only be attained by being in the company of an enlightened master, by listening to an enlightened master. By grace we can attain the knowledge that comes from within, and more we have knowledge. In fact, all three kind of knowledge are necessary in life. We need all three knowledge. And the more knowledge we have, more things get organized around us.